Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This question says that a quiz was conducted in a school and there were four teams with four participants each. So a total of 16 participants. The participants were numbered P1, P2 and so on up to P16. The below table gives the number of correct responses given by these participants. Each correct response fetched 1 point and there was no negative marking. So that means basically the scores of these participants is given, and uh, and these are not necessarily in the same order in the teams. Okay, because it is not mentioned that these are team 1, this is team 2 and so on. Now we are given certain conditions. The teams arranged in descending order, the scores were T1, T2, T3 and T4. So that means T1 greater than T2, T2 greater than T3, T3 greater than T4. Okay. T1 scored 39 points while T4 scored 17 points. Okay, so those are the two things given to us. No two players of a team contributed equal number of points. Okay, so that is an important point. This will help us figure out different players of a team. P15 was not a member of T4, so this is not in T4. Now, in order to solve this question, let us do one thing, that let us arrange these numbers in one particular order, either ascending or descending order. And accordingly, we will use this information to find out the different players. So let us arrange in descending order. So highest number out of this is 13. Then you have 10. Then two players have 9 points. Then it is 8 by one player. Then two players with 7 points. One player with 6. Three players have 5 points each. 4 points, two players. Two players with 3 points also. And one player with 2 points. Okay. Now, in such kind of questions, we should always start with extremes. Anyway, we are given extremes only. We are given that 39 points for T1 and 17 for T4. Now, 39, suppose we do not include 13. Let us consider that we do not include 13. Okay. Then you have 10 plus 9, 19. And each player has unique points, right? No two players of a team contributed equal number of points. So 10, 9, 8, 7 will give us 34. 10, 9, 8, 7 will give us 34. So that means 13 has to be there in team 1. So 13 is compulsory. Suppose I do not include 10, right? So maximum possible will be 13, 9, 8, 7, right? So that gives us 37 only, right? So that means 10 is also there in the scorecard. So this way we can prove that the scores will be 13 plus 10, 23, 32 plus 7, 39, right? So 13, 10, 9 and 7, these are the scores of team 1. Okay. Now we have to, let's find for T4. We know that no two players of a team contributed equal number of points, and we have three players contributing 5 points each. So that means each of these three teams, T2, T3 and T4, will have a player that will contribute 5 points. Okay. Now, uh, so 5 points are done for T4. We are left with 12 points. So let us say A plus B plus C, that is equal to 12. One information is given that P15 was not a member of T4. That is 6 point is not possible. Okay. 6 is not possible. Then how can you get 12? You cannot get, see, 12 is how? 3, 4, 5, right? 5 is already being used. Okay, so we cannot use it again. Then you can have 2, 4, 6. 6 is not possible, isn't it? Then we can have 2, 3 and 7. That is one possibility, right? Is it possible? Yes. 2, 3, 7. That looks to be the only possibility. 2, 3, 7. That is 12 points. So that means 2 will be in team 4. One of the threes will be in team 4, and 7 will be in team 4. Okay, so these are the structures of team 4. Now we are left with uh, team 3 and 2. So the scores left are 9, 8, 6, 2 times of 5, 2 times of 4, and a 3. Okay, so 1 1 each will go to each of the teams, right? 2 and 3. So and then the remaining scores have to be distributed. So we might have questions on maximum and minimum. So the first question is, what is the maximum score by a member of team T4? So T4, the maximum score is 7 points. What is the maximum total possible score of team 2? So team 2 total possible score is 9, 8. Then we will have 5 and 4 are compulsory, right? So 17 plus 9, 26 is the maximum possible score. Okay. Which of these persons is definitely not present in T1? So T1 has 13, 10, 9, 9, 7. So now let us look at persons from the table. So P1 has 9 points. 9 points could be present. P2 has 7 points. 7 pointer is there. So he could be present, right? P3 has 8 points. We know that 8-point person is not present in this team. So that is your answer. Okay, P5 has 7. P5 could be present. Right, we do not know the names of the persons, we know the scores. So definitely the person with 8 points is not present in T1. That's why the answer. If team 3 scored the maximum possible number of points, right, which of these is not a score by any member of the team? Now team 3 scored the maximum possible number of points. How will we find this maximum possible number of points? uh, there are total of, if you calculate the total points, 56 points by T1, T1 and T4 combined 56 points. Okay, how many points are left? Acha, we do not have to worry about these points, we are just concerned about these. So 18, 21, 38, 44, 44 points, right? And T2 has to be greater than T3, right? So that means 23, 21 हो सकता है maximum possibility. I mean maximum for T3 can be 21, right? So let us see that is 21 possible. 5 and 4 are compulsory, so 9 points हो गए. We have to check 12 points out of these two. So 9 and 3 will make it 21, right? 9 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 हो जाएगा. Right? It is asking that which of these is not a score by any member of the team. So 5, 4, 3 are given. 6 is not a possible score. So these are the answers to the questions of this puzzle.